Have you ever found yourself entranced by the glittering allure of quick cash and no money down real estate promises? Today we're plunging into the murky depths of wholesaling, the much-hyped holy grail of property investment. Yet as with any golden legend, there are shadows lurking beneath the surface. According to veteran real estate investor and realtor Ed DiMarco, wholesaling could be a treacherous path littered with pitfalls for eager investors. So buckle up as we expose the unvarnished truth behind this controversial practice. First, consider the legal landscape. Wholesaling operates in a somewhat gray area. Yes, it's legal, yet the lack of clear regulations opens a Pandora's box of potential legal issues. One misstep, like neglecting to disclose your intentions to the seller, and you could find yourself in a costly legal entanglement. Next, let's talk about the earnest money trap. Wholesaling often requires you to put down earnest money to secure a contract. Fail to find a buyer in time, and that money evaporates. For those hoping to make quick money, this financial pitfall can be a harsh blow. And let's not forget about reputation. In the world of real estate, your reputation is everything. Wholesaling, with its opaque nature and potential for predatory practices, has the potential to seriously damage your standing in the industry. Once your reputation suffers, reclaiming it can be a long and arduous journey. Then there's the financial rollercoaster. Unlike traditional real estate investments that provide the safety net of rental income, wholesaling is a high-stakes gamble with no guarantees. If a deal falls through, you're back at the starting line, but with fewer resources and possibly a tarnished reputation. Wholesaling also comes with a heavy dose of stress. The relentless pressure to close deals, paired with the intricacies of contract management, can lead to anxiety and hasty decision-making. Is the allure of quick profits worth the strain on your mental well-being? Lastly, consider the emotional toll. The cycle of high hopes followed by disappointment can lead to feelings of failure and negative self-worth. The time and energy you pour into wholesaling only to end up back at square one can be both emotionally draining and demoralizing. In conclusion, while wholesaling may initially appear as an alluring gateway into real estate investment, the risks, ethical challenges, and emotional toll it presents are simply too significant to overlook. Instead of seeking shortcuts, consider crafting a sustainable ethical investment strategy that yields long-term rewards and preserves your self-worth. For more expert-level advice on ethical real estate investing and other investment strategies, don't hesitate to visit Ed DiMarco's blog and website at naplesed.com. This voiceover script was brought to you by Ed DiMarco, a seasoned real estate broker with graduate degrees in business and communication, specializing in ethical real estate investing in Naples, Florida. For more expert insights, visit naplesed.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert-level real estate content.